Are you looking for easy ways to create fantastic marketing content that generate leads and drive conversion within a click of a button? If you do, you reach the right place. Welcome to my series on the secrets to generating amazing marketing content using Chat GPT. And today I'm going to share with you tip number 9. But before I jump straight into it, I want to welcome you to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Otal Green. I help entrepreneurs and small business owners create products their audience wants to buy. I also prepared a gift for you, a guide with 3 pro hacks for unbeatable marketing. This guide will help you create amazing marketing content right now. I put the link in the description below, so grab your copy today and start creating amazing content that converts. Okay, so let's jump straight into it. Tip number 9. If you don't have a ChatGPT account yet, it's easy to create one. Just go to chat.openai.com and create an account for you. It is free. I'll put the link to ChatGPT in the description below so you can grab it from there. Okay, so let's say you want to create an article, a blog post about a topic related to the services you offer or the product that you're selling. And you want to create a balanced article, a balanced blog that present different perspective on that topic. So again, ChatGPT can help you write this article very, very quickly. So the input we'll put to ChatGPT will be write an article about, and this is where you put the topic that you want the article to be about. So in that case, I populated it with how AI will impact our world. But you can obviously change it to whatever topic related to your business. And then you continue with writing, consider diverse perspective and write it in a friendly tone. So because we said consider diverse perspective, this article will be balanced and will show different angles on that topic and will be right in a friendly tone, which is, I guess, always what we want to do. So let's see the magic happens. Let's see what ChatGPT is going to create for us, what kind of article. So it's already writing a lot of information. It's starting with explaining about artificial intelligence and how it's going to revolutionize our world in a way that we cannot yet fully comprehend. And it's mentioning the impact on the healthcare industry, education, and it goes on and on. Let's wait for it to finish so we can have a look at that output. Okay. So it started with a general introduction about AI, what it is, what it means for the world, and also mentioning that there are concerns about the impact of AI on jobs, privacy, and social inequality. And so already you see the balanced approach towards AI. So not showing just to one side, showing multiple sides in relation to AI and its impacts on the world. And then it goes to talk about healthcare as an area where AI is already making a significant impact, and it's explaining how AI is helping the healthcare industry and provide better medical services for people. And then it continued to explain about transportation and self-driving cars that are already on the road. And then about the education industry, where AI also have a huge impact on that industry. And then it continues to show a different angle about AI, about the concerns of AI and the impact it can have on us and the world. And privacy also is another big concern. And then it finishes with a conclusion. So as you can see, easily and quickly, you got a very balanced article on the topic that you choose, which is in this case is AI and its impact on the world. So now you can go and easily create different articles that you can publish online to establish your authority and drive leads. If you haven't done so already, you can download my free guide with 3 pro hacks to unbeatable marketing. The link is in the description below. Until next time, stay focused and never give up on your dreams.